Vivox is an interesting case, and I think at some point I should probably write a business case on it, because it's actually a case how VCs can screw up the company, but what happens all the time. What was unusual, what at the end, the company, we did a management buyout, and kind of it was very successful management buyout, basically. Well, I was actually part of founding team at Vivox.
I see.
It was I think 2003, 2004, I think, when we started Vivox. Company got 20, I don't remember exactly the number, but more than 20 million from really good funds like Benchmark, Canyon. The problem was what the company was doing, voice communication for like online games and stuff like that, where you could build a nice company, but you can't really build $1 billion company in that space, at least at that time. And the problem, when you raise too much money from VCs, they kind of push you to go big or go home.
Right.
So I left the company when I went to MIT, and basically I was doing some other stuff afterwards. Fast forward like about 8-9 years, and you see the company which was doing like about 3 million in revenue, cash flow zero kind of thing. Funds were at the end of their life, so they weren't interested in doing anything with this company. And it's a good, we're talking about great funds, so for them, like couple millions wouldn't make any difference. So I participated, basically we did management buyout. We bought a company back from VCs for 3 million, allocated, I don't remember, 30 or 40% ESOP to kind of properly motivate all the team. And the company grew organically since then, grew to about 10 million in revenue, and was sold to Unity for 100 million, which was a great investment for everybody. It was great for the team, which made a lot of money. It was good outcome.